What is going on here?
The removal of illegal scrapyard now during the sale.
Okay, for how many years it is there?
For many years.
Many years.
Yeah, maybe 15 years ago.
Now the demolition is doing. So it's a private property or government?
No, private but they are illegal structure. No permission, no approval, nothing. Go ahead, you can run.
So from where this scrapyard is going on? From how many years?
15 years ago.
How many years? So no permission they have taken?
No, it's in about
अरे ओए अरे अमर कौन मारा ना फाइट दे रहा है चल तू उधर
ಯಾತ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದ ಅವಂತ you also tell them. You tell them now. Yo.
Like that,
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Can you brief us about this structure demolition?
This is a scrapyard which is existing in the last 15 years or more. It's an illegal structure without any approval, permissions, or any sanctions. And they are a source of nuisance, and they were in the road widening in the area for new bridge.
But how long, if you are talking about 15 years, how come CCP allowed to them to stay
There
for
were
15 years?
complaints, there were attempts. Earlier they had demolished it, they came back again. They demolished it from here, they came back again. So now they are removing them completely from here.
Yeah, but 15 years, sir, how come CCP has not taken
Notices have to be issued, hearings have to be conducted. So it takes its own time. Then there are vacations, then there are various court holidays, so it takes its time.
Even there is a one small house here. So it is
They
also
converted it into a house, this was an illegal structure.
So everything is
Yeah,
illegal here.
everything is
So this
illegal.
would be cleaned up now.
Yes.
How will CCP make it sure that such type of illegal structure doesn't come up again?
No, the road widening is coming here now. The bridge.
Taka laga तुम्ही काढला हो पहिले.
No,
You don't know.
we removed it because it's illegal.
It's illegal. So it is a government property or
Private.
private property? CCP property.
No, private.
Private property. Okay. Any more illegalities happening in
No, no, this crap, this is the
no
only,
illegal structure is there in Panjim where we will take CCP will take the action on it
We have taken already one entire last week we demolished 2-3 structures.
from Panjim.
Various balconies, structure, we already demolished in and around our jury, jurisdiction. We can give you the list of the structures that we already demolished. What is to be demolished, that you will know then. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Come, let's go.
भेजा ना मैं
Here to.